Yeah, okay. So basically, this is our first stop. It's some kind of nature park thing, and we're just having a blast.
I turned to be an Amish girl, and I can't grow my beard.
Look at me, I changed food. Melinda's a raccoon. I'm a turtle. What do you cherish?
I'm a peacock.
What are you, Esther? Let's see. What choices will she make? We've got some bones. We got a beehive. Got some pine cones. She's gonna be something of a, I don't know.
She's a tree. Because green is the new
Yeah, because green's the new black. Yeah, I gotta see her shirt. Yeah, see? There you go. She's so sexy. Work it. Alrighty, and that is all for today. Thank you very much.